Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 4. I slash you slash he slash she slash it from the book Grammar 1. So, A, look at the pictures and read the sentences. So, we have to look some pictures and we have to read some sentences. First, I am Ashok. So, here is the Ashok. I means मैं. If we talk about ourselves, we use I. Okay? Then he's again saying, you are Simi. So, if we talk about someone else, so we use you. In Hindi, it means aap or tum. Okay? So, she is Simi. Okay? Then we have second one, I am Kanika. So again, if we are talking about ourselves, so we use the word I. Okay. Then you are Ranjana. If we talking about someone else, we use the word you. Then we have the third one, he is Mr. Gupta. So this kid is saying that he is Mr. Gupta. We use he for the males. Okay. Then he teaches us English. Then this kid is telling about this person that he teaches them English. वो उन्हें English पढ़ाते हैं. So for the male we use he. Okay, remember this. Then we have fourth one. She is Miss Sharma. She teaches us maths. Now, she is telling she is Mrs. Sharma. Means if we talk about female, so we use the word she. Okay. Then she teaches us maths. So she's telling about that she's teaching them maths. Okay. Remember this, if we talk about the males, we use he, and if we talk about females, we use the word she. Then we have fifth one, there is a dog near us. So this kid is saying, उनके आसपास कोई dog है. Here you can see in the picture as well. Then it is my pet dog. So this kid is again saying that it is my pet dog. So for the animals and things to refer, we use it. Okay? Now we have tips to remember. We use I, you for a boy, girl, man or woman. तो जो I होता है, you होता है, वो हम boy, girl, man, woman किसी के लिए भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay, this doesn't define any gender. Then we use he for a boy and a man. हम he एक बॉय के लिए और एक मैन के लिए ही रेफर करते हैं. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू अबाउट दिस दैट वी यूज ही ओनली फॉर मेल्स. देन we use she for a girl and a woman. If we need to refer to some woman or a girl, we need to use the word she. Then we use it for non-living things and animals when they do not have a special name. जो animals होते हैं और जो non-living things होती हैं, उनका अगर कोई special name नहीं है, so we refer to it as with the help of the word it. Okay, then we have B, fill in the blanks with I, you, he, she or it. Now, first, dash am a student. So, dash am a student means we'll fill I am a student. Then we have second, dash are a good singer. Then here we are talking about someone else, so we'll use you. Okay? Then we have the third one. Dash is my friend Rahul. So again, we are talking about a person, or you can say a boy or a man. So we'll use he. Then fourth, Dash is a beautiful watch. Now we are talking about a watch, which is beautiful. That is a non-living thing, so we'll use it. Then we have fifth, Dash am an empire. So if you see the word am, it is mostly used with I only. Okay, so he's introducing about themselves. So we use I word. Then we have the sixth one. Dash are a policeman. Now we are referring to someone else. So we use the word you. Okay. Then seventh. Dash is Mrs. Verma. Now we are referring to a lady. Right. So we use she. Then we have eighth. Dash is Mr. Tiwari. Now we are referring to a male. So we use he. Ninth, Raj is my brother. Dash plays with me. So now we are talking about Raj. Raj is a brother of mine and Dash plays with me. So we are referring to Raj itself and he is a boy. So we'll use he. Then 10th, Himani is a clever girl. Dash answers all questions wisely. So Himani is a clever girl. समझदार लड़की है. Okay. Then here we'll talk about Himani itself because वो क्या करती है, सारे questions को अच्छे से wisely answer करती है. So we are talking about a girl or we are referring to a girl. So we'll use she. Got it? Now we have C. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with I or you. So we have to fill the pictures or blanks with I or you. So this kid is asking, are dash a pilot? So he is referring to someone else. So we use you. Okay. Then this person is saying, no dash am a policeman. Now he is telling about themselves. So we use the word I. Then this girl is asking, are dash a driver? Now she is asking from someone else. So we'll use you. Then this person is saying, no dash am a doctor. Now this person is telling us about themselves. So we write I. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.